This is the complete Malgor color system. My name is Felipe Guerra, also known as Guerra Colors. I'm a professional colorist from Chile, and this is the color system I built and designed to share with you. I'm going to show you what you can do with every product inside the bundle and how each module affects a different part of the image pipeline. For demonstration purposes, some of these adjustments will be pushed further than I would normally use in a final grade, just to clearly show the strength and behavior of each tool. These are all real shots from different projects that I've worked on throughout the years. All the footage is first transformed from the original camera format into DaVinci Wide Gamut using a color space transform node, and then converted back into Rec 709 at timeline level. This allows the entire system to work consistently across different cameras and formats inside a unified color managed workflow. From look development, advanced color shaping, to texture, lens behavior, and film grain. Each module was designed to control a different part of the image pipeline. Together, they create a complete cinematic image system that stays flexible, controllable, and professional throughout the entire grading process. At the core of the system is Color Engine Pro. This is where the foundation of the image is built. Exposure shaping, balancing, hues, and cinematic split toning are all designed to help you create looks quickly while keeping the image clean and natural. The split toning system is one of the core creative tools inside the engine, allowing you to quickly push a variety of cinematic palettes while maintaining smooth tonal transition and natural color response. The system also includes a large collection of built-in presets designed as fast starting points for different cinematic looks and workflows. For example, presets like Ads, Ads Styled, Film, Kodak 2383, EXR, and Teal and Orange are designed primarily as grading foundations, creating clean contrast and balanced color response. The others are designed more as stylized creative looks, pushing stronger color palettes and more aggressive visual character on top of the base image, allowing you to dial them back and blend them naturally into the final grade. For faster workflows, Engine Lite brings many of the same core concepts into a much simpler and more streamlined interface. The idea is to create cinematic looks quickly without needing deep node structures or complex adjustments. And just like that, we created a look in seconds. It also includes simplified creative tools designed for instant stylization. For example, controls like Desert Sky can push skies into richer cyan with a single adjustment. And controls like Foliage can completely reshape the filling of the greens and vegetation instantly. The goal is to make look development feel fast, intuitive, and flexible while still maintaining a cinematic and professional image response. Let's go back to our initial shot. Once the base look is established, Sculpt Pro allows you to refine individual colors with much more precision. Skin tones, skies, greens, saturation balance, and color density can all be adjusted independently to create cleaner color separation and more intentional palettes without breaking the image apart. Then, Film Sharpness Pro focuses on texture and detail response. The Sharpness system was designed to recreate the sharpness of expensive cinema lenses, shaping micro contrast and detail without creating the harsh digital sharpness that modern footage often has. I'm going to be aggressive with the adjustments just to make it clear. We can start from presets depending on the look we're after. When we're done with sharpness, we can go on and add film grain. We can start off with the presets and adjust the strength, size, softness, and the tonal scale of the grain. The grain was constructed with the Boolean processing mode, which means that it is reacting to the actual image instead of an overlay on top of it. Finally, we arrive at Lens Pro, which adds the final optical layer to the image. With edge diffusion, lens swirl, center sharpness, vignetting, and lens character help reduce the clinical feel of digital footage and create a softer, more dimensional image with a more cinematic response. Before, after. And when all the modules work together, the result is a complete modular grading pipeline, fast, flexible, and built to help you create cinematic images while still keeping full control over color, texture, and overall image integrity. This is the complete Malgor Color System bundle. You can download the demos at malgor.io and try it out for yourself. Malgor Color System.